What's good? What's good? What's good, my people? It's your boy Selt. Ready to take some snow off the car, baby. This is what we do in New York, baby. This is what we do in New York. You gotta take the snow off the car. Yeah. Yo, this snow is no joke, my people. It is real on the battlefield. Woo. Lord have mercy. This snow is thick, y'all. It ain't no thing but a chicken wing, baby. You gotta do it. If you're a New Yorker, you gotta do it. You gotta handle this. Yeah. That's what we do in New York City. Vaya, primo, vaya. Está gozando mucho la nieve. ¿Cómo está? And once somebody asks me, are you going out? I'll be like, yeah, I'm leaving to my crib. Real on the battlefield, baby. I don't know what the hell happened to my gloves. We're getting busy, my people. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, my hands is freezing, but yo, somebody gotta do this. Somebody gotta do this, yo. Hey, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, Selt. Hit the like and subscribe. Cause a lot of y'all watching, but they ain't subscribing. But this is how we do New York City, baby. We take care of business. Never time for clowns, grown men in here. Grown men in here, baby. We gotta do it. We gotta do this. Woo. Yeah. We gotta do this, baby. Welcome to New York City. Ahí estamos. Carmen, mira, para que me ayude, ven. Ven de Santo Domingo. Y Vanessa. ¿Qué open? Venga, para que me den una manito aquí. Dame la nieve del carro. Están muy calientitos ustedes en Santo Domingo. La jeva que te ponga el chocolate, primo. Te ponga el chocolate. Say my head for grown men, baby. Woo! Let's go, baby, let's go. We're doing this, we're doing this. Cuidadito por ahí, señorito. Mira el pasito ahí. Lo trata de echar los tal ya. ¿Cómo está? ¿Todo bien? La nieve, ¿verdad? Antes de quitarle un chin, porque ahorita se pone maduro y ahí sí es verdad. Ah, no, si así mismo es, hay que hacerlo, sí. Ah, eso sí es verdad, hay que hacerlo. No, pues es verdad, no lo culpo. No lo culpo. Y para buscar para qué, después que uno lo tape, ¿eh? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, my people. Let me check my gloves and stuff in here. Yo, this snow is thick when I tell you. Oh, Lord have mercy. Shit is easy for me right here, baby. I just did what I could do. My hat is freezing right now. But yo, gotta do what you gotta do, my people. It's your boy Selt, giving you another one. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. SELT. Subscribe to the channel. Peace, love, and happiness. Stay warm, y'all.